Hey y'all boys, Piemations actually uploaded a new Chelsea Cup Man video, but this time Chelsea Cup Man fights a bird, man. Piemations uploaded this like a few days ago and I'm just not reacting to it. My fault, y'all, my fault. That's actually crazy timing because I wasn't even planning on them like uploading as a Chelsea Cup video. I just happened to just watch the other ones first and then they started uploading this one. So crazy timing, man, crazy timing. Yeah, let's get it, man. Chelsea Cup Man fights a bird. We got a whole blicky. I'm in that same dang building, okay? Nothing changed. Man, boy, Chelsea Cup Man. Oh. So no talking? Oh, they got like a Tom and Jerry type of vibe to it. Oh, that's cool, that's cool. Dang. That's command, you can't take that. That's command, don't die, yeah. That's not doing anything. Oh, he trying to get to the sunrise before, yeah. Oh my god. I'm telling you, bro, he just pulled another one out of his book bag, bro. He be stacked. Oh, yep, here you come with the blicky. Whoa. Dang. Yo. Nah, they ain't no way. No, we gotta go back. No, we gotta go back on that one. They didn't hit the Family Guy pose on. They didn't hit the Family Guy pose on that thing, bro. Nah. Whoa. Okay. It's another fight though. Right, we gotta talk about it though. He really fighting a bird right now. Like they ain't a big old fist, but yeah, they really out here fighting a bird right now. Bro, nah, that's unhinged. Come on, dog. Imagine if the babies was in there, man. Hit him with that karate attack. Oh, he gonna give him one of his Chelsea cups. Dang. I was wondering when he was gonna have a cameo because that's his freaking building. Oh, he gave him his helmet. Oh, okay. Cool. Man, it's a W, okay. Yeah, now they both gonna watch it. Yeah. Best ending. Gonna give him some. Nah, that is hilarious, bro. I was wondering if he was gonna have a cameo, bro, because that was literally his building. I was waiting for it, man. Hey, man, W Animation, man. I did not expect this to come out like as soon as I got done with the Chelsea Cup series. Like, that's actually insane. But hey, man, I don't know if they're gonna continue this, honestly. I mean, I feel like they probably can't continue it because I mean they seem like they good friends now. So yeah, it's a W, man. He gave him his helmet. You feel what I'm saying? And everything works out. So hey, man, y'all boys, like up the video, comment. You feel what I'm saying? I'll see you on the next video. Peace.